Alright, welcome to yet another weekend market analysis. Well, last week was quite an interesting week. We saw price came alive, we saw the momentum so good. In fact, the market has really improved, and we feel that we should be extremely active looking for valid entry going forward. Alright, now let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar to see those high impact news announcements that are scheduled for this upcoming trading week. Well, as you can see, we have quite a few high impact news announcements here, and well, we are going to keep them on our notepad, especially if we are looking at intraday trades. Okay, so just keep them on your notepad. Now into the chart, really not much to talk about, but I just want to show you something that I am seeing. But before that, let's look into the our performance as of last week. Well, last week, like I said, it was quite an interesting week, but then the good thing is that we didn't score a loss. All right, we managed our way out. We still have some active trades. Our first trade was in the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. We took that trade. As you can see, we scroll down. One of those our trades we held for the previous week was still rolling in 20%, and it went so high. All right, it gave us some good profits at 8,550 points. Okay, this is not the regular forex pair USD MXN. Then we took another trade on the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar in the forward time frame. This one, of course, it also went well, but let me show you how we're taking the profit. For the euro against the sterling pounds, we took that trade. Well, this one didn't quite perform, I still remember, but we closed it at break-even position. So you can see for the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen, we closed that at 147 pips. That is 80% of that trade. And then we went forward to take New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. We closed 60% at plus 37 pips. All right, and then we closed the euro against the sterling pounds at break even. All right, we sold that pair, but price was busy doing nothing, and so we closed it at break even. We still have a trade in the euro against the New Zealand dollar, so we keep that trade running for now. Okay, so for last week there was actually no loss for us. We were sitting in profit. So this week, not much yet valid setup. All right, but they are actually developing, but we don't have that which is ready for us to take at this point. Let's review a few of those that we took, like the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen, the forward time frame. You can see that the price went all the way in our direction. All right, and then we took out 80% somewhere around in here. After much hesitation, you can see how price has come all the way there. Well, we are still expecting that even with the little 20% we have running in here, we are not bothered. We let it run according to the plan. 20% still active. Let's see if we can have price from there on turn and begin to come back down. If it doesn't, well, no problem. It's 20%. We are ready to take that risk as long as we're sitting at a break-even position. All right, now the euro against the New Zealand dollar, we also took a trade here where this rising trend line has been broken. We're expecting that as market open, we get a jump to the downside, maybe a gap, all right, to the downside. But anyhow, whatever happens, we are still bearish in this pair, and we're looking for the downside in the euro against the New Zealand dollar. Now this is what I want to show you. The sterling pounds against the American dollar. I am watching this pair in the daily time frame, similar to the euro against the American dollar. This pattern that is developing, it seems price is about to make some reversal. All right, seems price is about to make some reversal, but then this is a problematic area, so we need price to make some pushes, breaking through those levels. I just want to draw your attention to the fact that you have to be careful selling around this area. Let's wait until price comes back down again, maybe taking out this low, then we can keep selling. But for now, hey, hold on. It seems a reversal is forming. We may have price bank to the upside before we can see another push back down. Similarly, the euro against the American dollar. If you compare them, you see it's a strong correlation, right? Almost the same type of price action. So we may also see some reversal. Then okay, so let's wait to see. This is a nice trend line. If it breaks, you know we are going to get a high quality entry to the upside. So for now, be careful, don't sell around that area, just wait. Okay, and if we find anything valid, we will let you know. Okay, so let's end it there for now. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you again if the need arises. I'm wishing you a profitable trading week. Bye bye.